Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you Complete Revision Unit 3rd Digital Marketing and E-commerce. Search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is the process of gaining market online by purchasing ads on search engine by Google, Yahoo or Bing. Search engine marketing or SEM is one of the most effective way to grow your business in an increasingly competitive marketplace. SEM involves the promotion of website by increasing their visibility in search engine page result SERP. Search marketing approaches. Earning traffic through unpaid or free search listing SEO methods. Buying traffic through paid search listing PPC ads. Organic SEO. It takes more time to create and more concentrated towards content creation, building hyperlinks, meta tag, optimization keyword, enhancement, etc. It focuses on long-term results. They cannot be affected financially. Once the design of your website and its content is good, it requires less management. Organic SEO is called white hat search tactic. Non-organic SEO. It is speedy. It brings immediate effect. It focuses on short-term results. It is expensive. It required high degree of management. Inorganic search is black hat search tactic. SEM versus SEO. Search engine marketing refers to paid search marketing, a system where businesses pay Google to show their ad in search results. Search engine optimization or SEO is different because businesses do not pay Google for traffic and clicks. Rather, they earn a free spot in search result by having the most relevant content for a given key search. Search engines. The search engine use algorithms to provide the most relevant result to every user. For producing best suggestion to the user queries, they consider not only search keyword entered by user but also use location, type of device and operating system they are working on, user preference and their identities. The better the search algorithm is, the happiest the user is with its result. Steps in search engine marketing. Step 1. Define effective strategy. Define your target audience. Identify their needs and motivations. Highlight how your product is best for serving their needs. Review your business position in the marketplace. Step 2. Choose right keywords. Select most important phrases relevant to your business. Select the phrase that are frequently searched by your target customer. Conduct brainstorming session for potential terms your customer use when thinking about your product or capabilities. Step 3. Optimize your website content. Focus on your website structure. Keep it simple. Pay attention to meta description. Use your keyword phrase relevantly in page title tag, heading tag, directory name, file name, meta tags. Step 4. Submit your website for indexing. To be visible online to the customer, ensure that all the pages of your website are completely indexed by the search engine such as Google, Yahoo and Bing. Step 5. Add quality link to your website. Build link to your website from valued link of other websites that are frequented by your targeted visitor. The more quality inbound link you have, the more popular your website is with Google and other engines. Creating interesting and informative content on your website. Distribute press release and articles online. Step 6. Manage paid search advertise. Make sure your product offer is interesting to the potential customer. Bid on the most relevant keyword. Do not pick them based on only popularity. Step 7. Measure success of advertise. Check how well you performed in the past. Measure CPC, CPR, click, bounce rate, impression, etc. Monitor your position regularly in the search results. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is a multi-channel digital marketing strategy aimed at reaching a target audience through smartphone, tablet, and other mobile devices by website, email, SMS, MMS, social media, and apps. Working of mobile marketing. When it comes to mobile marketing strategy, personalized content means thinking about different devices in mind and utilizing SMS, MMS marketing and mobile apps. There is a mobile marketing channel to reach every part of your audience where they are comfortable, including email, content marketing, social media marketing, pay per click, search engine optimization. Types of mobile marketing strategies: app based marketing, social media marketing, location based marketing, mobile search ads, SMS. These are the types of mobile marketing strategies. Now discuss in detail. App based marketing. Use a marketing funnel to persuade potential customer to acquire your app, then activate it and return it. A good onboarding flow will encourage users to discover the functionality of their app promptly. Social media marketing. Drive traffic with organic and paid ads that appear on mobile social feeds, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, often the largest user bases. Location based marketing. Mobile marketers can create ads that appear on mobile devices based on a user location. Mobile search ads. Search engine often offer specific ad type built for mobile. They can create unique benefit to offer an improved user experience such as click to call functions or instant direction. SMS. Text a user phone number with specific offer or notification of upcoming deals. Advantages of mobile marketing. Social media is optimized for mobile phones. Social network effectively work on mobile ad platform. Audience can be reached anytime, anywhere across the globe. Information on a mobile feels more personal and creative, creates connection with customer more easily. Mobile marketing technique allow you to target particular segment of the marketplace and personalize your content. Delivery relevant and timely content on advertised by using location data for potential customers. Disadvantages of mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is fast and its impact instant. So mistake can be punished rapidly. From social media to search engine, mobile marketing is an ever-changing field. You have need to work hard to keep pace. Mobile phones are not always standard size and campaigns need to be adjusted for different handsets. Because mobile devices are so personal, customers are more easily irritated if your offering is not relevant to them. Video marketing on YouTube. YouTube marketing is a strategy that involves creating videos and uploading them on YouTube to promote a brand or a product and gain more exposure. It helps companies boost traffic, increase their customer base, and reach new audiences. Advantages of YouTube marketing. There are several advantages of YouTube marketing are heavy traffic, higher visibility on Google, build your email list on YouTube, higher conversion rates, multiple video type, massive media library. Massive media library. YouTube does not just have a large user base, it also has a massive media library. This is because 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. With that amount of information, you can literally find anything you need under the sun and beyond. YouTube marketing strategy. Create a channel on YouTube, conduct competitive analysis, start uploading content to your channel, promote your video, research your target audience, create video based on YouTube algorithm, provide all the necessary information. Facebook. Facebook is the largest social media platform globally as well as one of the biggest local business directories. People of a diverse range of age group it use it to communicate with friends and family, participate in groups and forums, find a visit businesses near them and follow brands. Facebook is a great social media marketing platform to build relationship with current customers, announce our changes, event and milestones, hold discussion and live streams. Instagram. Though it come into the science year after LinkedIn and Twitter, Instagram quickly surpassed those platforms and reached 1 billion monthly active users in 2018. It is popular for its diverse content format, including feed posts, stories, live, reel, and IGTV. People use Instagram to follow influencers and brand they buy from and who support their personal value. Create your Instagram bio and then use it for social shopping, influencer marketing, user generated content, company culture. LinkedIn. LinkedIn may be a professional network, but it is also an inspiring communities that celebrate leadership, learning, and core values. It is also a great place to express your company culture and build your personal brand in parallel with your business brand. LinkedIn attract top talent, network with partner and customers, share company milestone and culture, post industry news and insights. Twitter. Twitter is a beautifully tangled network of quick thoughts and energized discussions. You should be regularly active on every social media platform, but it is especially important here. Many people use Twitter to get news, follow brands, and get customer service. Be sure to retweet when the customer has something nice to say about you. And don't forget to answer people question when possible. Content marketing. Content marketing is a marketing strategy used to attract, engage, and retain an audience by creating and sharing relevant article, video, podcast, and other medias. This approach establishes expertise, promotion, brand awareness, and keeps your business top of mind when it is time to buy what you sell. Goals of content marketing. There are basically four main goals: brand awareness, sale, customer retention. These are the four main goals. Content creation process. There are several steps in content creation process: SEO research, ideation, writing, creating, editing, uploading, publishing, and last one is promoting. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves a brand collaborating with an online influencer to market one of its product or service. Some influencer marketing collaboration are less tangible than that brands simply work with influencer to improve brand recognition. Influencer marketing, also known as influence marketing, is a form of social media marketing involved in product placement from influencers, people and organizations who have a expert level of knowledge or social influence in their field. Influencers are someone with the power to affect the buyer habit or quantifiable action of other by uploading some form of original, often sponsored content to social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, or other online channels. Influencer marketing is when a brand enroll influencers who have an established credibility and audience on social media platform to discuss or mention the brand in a social media post. Influencer content may be framed as testimonial advertising. Here is the revision is complete of unit 3rd. I hope you like this. For unit 1 and unit 2 revision, please visit our YouTube channel Study with Harshit. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.